Joe McBride.
Ben, how are you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Doing great.
What are we standing in front of today?
We're standing in front of the SPX 210 Sea Ray 21-foot open bow. So you can see this is a beautiful boat. Has the navy blue sides, white hull, sitting on a tandem axle trailer. This boat's equipped with the optional water sports tower as well. Gives a very stylish look as well as extra added functionality.
What can you do from a water sports tower?
The water sports tower gives you the benefit of a couple different pull points for doing water sports. You've got a point you can tie your rope up high, as well as a tie ring here on the back.
Nice.
So it gives you a couple different options for whatever water sport you're choosing.
Excellent. Well, let's climb aboard.
Sounds good. First thing you'll notice on this boat, it's got a great big swim platform. Lots of extra room, good for the kids. It's got a 4-rung ladder. Goes very deep down into the water. Makes it very easy to get up, very ergonomical. This boat features a port side walkthrough, as well as a rear sun lounge. Under the sun pad, you'll find this is powered by a 4.5 liter MerCruiser engine. That's 250 horsepower. It's going to give you great performance for tubing, skiing, as well as good fuel economy.
Looks like nice easy access for adding and checking your oil.
Easy access for service. It's a very easy to maintain boat, as well as gives you some added storage here on the starboard side.
Great. This walkway is really nice. Looks like there's a compartment under here for storage.
Got a couple different compartments right here. More storage right there. Storage right here. What you'll notice, finished lids, finished fiberglass, stainless steel locks, gas struts. Sea Ray is a very high quality boat. They use high quality components.
Oh, looks like there's plenty of cup holders right off the bat.
Plenty of cup holders. We've got 5 right there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 that I count right here in the cockpit. So plenty of room for entertaining and drinks to keep you hydrated out on the water.
It's like some storage under here.
Storage, could be a cooler as well.
Got a under seat cooler here too.
Dedicated cooler space right there.
Use that igloo or pop in a Yeti there probably, huh?
One thing you notice, this soft surface that your knee is on right here. We've got a snap-in sea deck.
Oh, that is really nice.
Very nice feature that Sea Ray started doing. We've added to our boats. Gives you that good cushion, but not the mold and mildew of carpet. So moving forward into this boat, you've got dual bucket seats with flip-up bolsters. Gives you good access. If you're a shorter guy like me, helps you see a little better at times. As you'll see walking through, beautiful leather appointed trim, Fusion stereo. Got a nice walk-through windshield. Just a very good at blocking the wind, doesn't get in the way of your line of sight.
Glove compartment.
Nice glove compartment.
Speakers.
This boat features the ivory interior. It's very cool to the touch.
It's like some great storage over here. All right, what do we got up front?
Up front, you've got a spacious bow area. You've got room for 4 adults up here, a couple kids to lay out. Very high sides, very safe. Lots of good cushioning in all the right places. You've got 2 Fusion stereo speakers, port and starboard. Again, more cup holders. Lots of stainless steel grab rails, makes it a very safe boat.
What's underneath the cushions here?
Underneath, more and more storage.
Great.
So lots of storage for anything that you may need for a day out on the water. Again, this is a 21-foot SPX 210 from Sea Ray. This is a very good family boat, water sports. For more info on this boat, or if you'd like to schedule a demo, my contact info is located below. Again, my name is Joe McBride. We would love to hear from you, and thank you for visiting MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and Osage Beach.
Thanks, Joe.